Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Sati, and today we'll be reviewing the Huawei Y9s. So let us begin. Huawei Y9s has a 6.59-inch screen size and a resolution of 1080p. The phone has a full HD display. Due to its big screen size, reaching the edges of the screen can be difficult while using it with one hand. The LCD screen it has might not be preferable to all, as almost every phone has an OLED or AMOLED panel to suit the need for crisp and brighter display. This phone definitely feels superior because of its glass back and the aluminium ridges. In addition to the superior look, the aluminium ridges also help for good grip. This phone is no exception when it comes to the thin bezel, notch-free design, which is the trend right now. It comes in two colors, Midnight Black and Breathing Crystal. The Breathing Crystal has a beautiful violet blue gradient. This phone looks absolutely stunning. It has a triple rear camera setup and a pop-up selfie camera. It is available in a 6GB 128GB variant. Internal storage can be further expanded up to 512GB. Both the power button and the volume button is on the right. The power button functions as a fingerprint sensor as well. It still has a 3.5mm headphone jack and a USB Type-C connector. This phone does not support dedicated memory card slot. It comes with hybrid slot, which means you can insert either two SIM card or a SIM card and a memory card. The Huawei Y9s is powered by octa-core Kirin 710F and Mali G51 MP4 GPU. It runs Android 9 Pie with Huawei's EMUI 9.1. The processor isn't the fastest but can handle day-to-day multitasking with ease. Huawei Y9s isn't a gamer's delight. It isn't a heavy gaming device but can run medium graphic intensive games easily. It does run PUBG and Call of Duty smoothly. Now let's look at the camera. It has a triple rear camera setup and a 16-megapixel pop-up selfie camera. There is a primary 48MP camera, 8-megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. The picture quality is decent as it captures vibrant, clear and detail-packed photos with up to 6 times digital zoom. In addition, the wide-angle lens is also amazing and the camera performs well in low light. It also supports night mode. The upgraded AI beauty algorithm helps in taking better portraits and bringing clarity in images. Talking about the videos, it records up to 1080p with the primary, wide and selfie sensor and are all good in proper lighting conditions. But in low light, wide sensor has noise and the selfies are very bright. Some other camera features include autofocus, continuous shooting, panorama, HDR, slow motion, light painting and pro mode. It is powered by 4000 mAh battery which comes with a 10-watt charger. It takes a long time to drain and the charging isn't very fast. If you are careful with the usage, then the battery can last up to a full day or two. So if you're looking for a bigger screen, more storage and a device for your daily activities, then you can consider this phone. But if you're into heavy gaming, then there are other Huawei devices that you can look into.